Hi students, this is Harsnath Shukla and today we are going to discuss the lecture 10 for class 10. Topic is nature of roots. Chapter number 4, quadratic equation. Topic is nature of roots. So let us begin. Chapter 4, quadratic equation. Topic is nature of roots. Topic is nature of roots. So in this chapter we are in this topic we are going to discuss the nature of root. That means the quadratic equation have two roots. So what is the nature of these two roots? Either they are real or they are imaginary or they are equal. So this is important topic for board also. So first of all, if ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 be a quadratic equation, then roots are given by x is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here quantity b square minus 4ac is known as discriminant and is denoted by d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay, so the nature of root only depend on this particular determinant because this is in root. So what is the nature of this particular d? Either they are real, they are positive, they are negative. The nature of roots depend on this. So there are three cases. The first one is case number first. Case 1, if d is equal to 0, that means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then b square is equal to 4ac. In this situation, in this case, both the roots are real and equal. Both the roots are real and equal. Means that in this case the both root of the quadratic equation are real as well as equal also. Okay. The case 2, if d is greater than 0, this implies b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. This means b square is greater than 4ac. In this case, both the roots are real and distinct. Real and distinct. So, if we have given a question in which question asks that the given roots are equal, then b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, but both the roots are real and equal, then you have to take both the condition. That means b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0. Now case third, if D is if D is less than 0, in this case b square minus 4ac is less than 0, b square is less than 4ac. In this case, both the roots of equation are imaginary. Both the roots of the equation are imaginary. Okay. Now, the next thing, only these three conditions are given in the book, but one condition is also there. When the roots are rational, listen carefully, when the roots are rational number. So, if the roots are rational number, then this b square minus 4ac, must be a complete square. Then only you have to remove this square root. That means if roots are rational and real, then you must have b square minus 4ac is a complete square. Okay. Now next we have to see some question based on nature of roots. Okay. So listen. Find the discriminant of the equation and hence find the nature of the roots. Find them if they are real. Example number 18 from NCERT book. Example number 18. Example number 18 from your NCERT book. Find the discriminant of the equation 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3 is equal to 0 and hence find the nature of its root. Find them if they are real. So 3 3s are 9x square minus 3 2s are 6x plus 1 is equal to 0. Divided by 3, then 9x square minus 6x plus 1 is equal to 0. So comparing equation 1 by general equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 9, b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 1. So discriminant is d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So d is equal to b square, that means minus 6 whole square minus 4 into a 9 into c 1. So you have to see here 36 minus 36 is equal to 0. So since d is equal to 0, then roots are real and equal also. So because of real roots, we have to find the roots by factorization method, or simply you have to find it by formula. You will get 9x square minus 6x plus 1 whole is equal to 0. You can write it 3x square minus 2 into 3x into 1 plus 1 square is equal to 0. So 3x minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. So 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 1 by 3. Since both the roots are equal, that means the both roots are 1 by 3, 1 by 3. So in this, because of this only I had told you, whenever the roots are real, then you have to take in both conditions. B square minus 4AC is greater than or equal to 0. If question has asked roots are equal, real and equal, then you have to take B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. But if roots are real and real only, then B square minus 4AC is greater than or equal to 0. That means both conditions will satisfy. Okay. So next one, we have to find the question. See, find the, this is very important question. Question exercise number 4.4, question number 2, first part and second, both part I have to solve here. Okay. So see, book NCERT exercise 4.4, question number 2. NCERT book question number 2, exercise 4.4, question number 2, first part. Okay, question number 2, first part. So what is the question? Find the value of k for which the following quadratic equation so that they have two equal roots. So 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation, and you have to find the value of k for which the equation has equal roots. Always remember, if equal roots, you have to take b square minus 4ac is greater than is equal to 0. But if roots are real only, then you have to take b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0. So comparing equation 1 with general equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we will have a is equal to 2, b is equal to k and c is equal to 3. Now, since roots are given equation are equal, hence we have b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So b is k square minus 4 into 2 into 3 is equal to 0. So k square is equal to 24. So k is equal to plus minus root of 24. So k is equal to 2 plus minus 2 to the 4, 3 is the 8, 3 is the 2 to the 4, 3 is the 12, 2 is the, so this is 2 root 6 plus minus 2 root 6. This is the value of k for which the roots are real. Okay. Now we have to see the next question, second part of this question. Kx within bracket x minus 2 Kx within bracket x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. This is your quadratic equation. So in this question, first of all, we represent it in quadratic equation. So kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Question number 1. On comparing with general equation we have general equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We have a is equal to k, b is equal to minus 2k and c is equal to 6. So since roots are equal, hence d is equal to 0, that means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. b is minus 2k whole square minus 4ac, 4 into a, k into c, 6 is equal to 0. So this is 4k square minus 4, 6 is 24, k is equal to 0, 4k is common, so this is k minus 6 is equal to 0. So either 4k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0. So from these two equations, either k is equal to 0 or k is equal to 6. So the value of k must be 0 or k must be 6. Okay. So for this value of k, the equation have real roots. Only we consider k is equal to 6. Why? Because if k is equal to 0, then the whole equation is not a quadratic equation. Okay. Now next one we see find the nature of roots of the following equation. If the real roots exist, find them. This is the question. This is exercise 4.4, question number first part. See, this is exercise 4.4, same exercise. Question number first part, 4.4. Question number first part. Find the nature of the roots of the equation 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. If the, first of all, you find the nature of roots. If the real roots, then find them. So comparing equation 1 with general equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a must be 2, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 5. You know very well how a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 5, because 2x square, a, at the place of a there is 2, b this is minus 3 and c this is 5. So now d is equal to b square minus 4ac, so d is equal to b square minus 3 whole square minus 4ac into 2 into c5. So d is equal to 9 minus 4 to the 8, 5 the 40. So d is equal to minus 31, which is less than 0. Hence roots are imaginary. So no need to find. Because we have to study here only the real roots. Okay. Now you have to see next question. This is question number 2, 4.4, question number second part. 3x square minus 4 root 3x. The same question, only the part is changed. That means question number 1, second part, 3x square minus 4 root 2x, 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Now comparing, again the same thing, comparing with general quadratic equation, we get quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get A is equal to 3, B is equal to minus 4 and C is equal to 4. So D is equal to B square minus 4 AC. So D is what? B is minus 4 whole square minus 4 into A. A is 3 and C is 4. B is minus 4 root 3. So this is 4 root 3 whole square. This is 4 4 ja 16, 3 is 48 minus 48. This is 0. That means roots are real and equal. So find it. So thank you for today. Thank you.